Hello one and all. Today we are going to learn the practical of timer 0 8-bit mode of PIC18F458. The aim of this experiment is to study of timer 0 8-bit mode of PIC18F458 microcontroller using MPLAB simulator. Apparatus of this experiment are MPLAB, computer, PIC18 simulation software. This is the procedure of MPLAB. These are the registers which are used for programming of timer 0 8-bit mode. For timer programming, we have to calculate the value of timer register. The calculation part of this experiment is divided into three parts. First one, duty cycle calculation. Second one, machine cycle time calculation. And third one, TMR0L register count calculation. In a duty cycle calculation, we assign the frequency 5 kHz. We know the equation T is equal to 1 upon F. Right here 5 kHz. 1 upon 5 kHz is equal to 0.2 millisecond. Right here 0.2 millisecond. 0.2 millisecond divided by 2, it is 0.1 millisecond. Therefore half cycle delay is 0.1 millisecond. The on period is 0.1 millisecond and here off period is also 0.1 millisecond. For duty cycle, the equation is T on divided by T on plus T off into 100. We know the T on period is 0.1 millisecond and T off period is also 0.1 millisecond. Write 0.1 millisecond and here 0.2 millisecond into 100 is equal to 50%. Our second part is machine cycle time calculation. In machine cycle time calculation, assign the crystal frequency. We can connect crystal 4 MHz to 20 MHz, but here I assign crystal frequency is equal to 4 MHz. The machine cycle frequency is equal to crystal frequency divided by 4, means right here 4 MHz. 4 MHz divided by 4 means it is 1 MHz. Machine cycle frequency is equal to 1 MHz. We know that the machine cycle time is equal to 1 upon machine cycle frequency. Right here 1 MHz. 1 upon 1 MHz is equal to 1 microsecond. For execution of single cycle, we require 1 microsecond time when crystal frequency is equal to 4 MHz. In a TMR0L register count calculation, first point is half cycle delay. We have calculated here half cycle delay is equal to 0.1 millisecond. Right here 0.1 millisecond. Then calculate total count. The equation of total count is equal to half cycle delay divided by machine cycle time. Our half cycle delay is 0.1 millisecond and machine cycle time is also calculated here. It is 1 microsecond. Right here 1 microsecond. 0.1 millisecond divided by 1 microsecond is equal to 100. Then calculate timer count. The equation of timer count is equal to total count minus total cycles of assembly language program loop. This is our program. In this program, the back-to-back loop cycles are 11. Here move LW0X A6 instruction require single cycle. Move WF-TMR0L instruction require again one cycle. Similarly, BRA here instruction require two cycles, means the back to back loop instruction cycles are 11. Here our total count is 100 minus our instruction cycles 11 is equal to 89. Using PSA bit, we bypasses the prescaler, then calculate TMR0 register value. It is a 16-bit register, but for 8-bit operation, we have to select TMR0L register, which is 8-bit register, and the equation of timer value is equal to 256 minus timer count minus 1. Here our timer count is equal to 89, means 256 minus 89 minus 1 is equal to 166. Then the 166 is a decimal number. It is calculated into hexadecimal form. Right here the decimal number 166 divided by 16 is equal to 10, because 16 tens are 160 and our remainder is 6. Again write 10 divided by 16, right here 0, our remainder is 10, it is A. It takes in reverse order 166, which is a decimal number, but their equivalent hexadecimal number is A6. The hexadecimal value of TMR0L is equal to A6H. This A6H is loaded into TMR0L register. We can see here the instruction move LW0X A6, and then this data of working register is transferred to TMR0L register. After calculation, we will write the program in MPLAB. The procedure of MPLAB, like click on project, then click on project wizard, then click on new. Here select PIC18F458 IC, then click on next. Here select microchip MP-ASM toolsuit, MP-ASM assembler, then click on next, click on browse, give a file name timer 0 8-bit mode, then click on save, then click on next. Here click on plus sign of C drive, then click on plus sign of program file, then click on microchip, then click on plus sign of MP-ASM suit, then click on plus sign of object, select PIC18F458 TMP0.ASM, click on add, then click on plus sign of LKR, Again select IC 18F458 G.LKR, then click on add, then click on next, then click on finish. This is our source file 18F458 tmp0.asm. Then double click on this file. In this source file, these are the configuration registers and their settings. Before end, we have to write our program. This is our timer 0 8-bit mode program. After writing a program, click on save file, then click on make. Here build a successor, then click on build all, then one more message is build a successor, then click on debugger, then click on selector tool, and then click on MPLAB sim. For result, click on view and take the special function register. Again click on view and take simulator logic analyzer. Now I will explain you the timer 0 8-bit mode program stepwise. BCF means bit clear file. TRIAS-B, 1 means make port B pin 1 output direction. Then second instruction is BSF, bit set file port B, 1 means port B pin 1 is high. Then move LW0x48. The literal value 48H is loaded into working register. We can see here working register is equal to 0x48. Then next instruction is move WFT0con. The value of working register 48H is sent to timer 0 control register. Because of 48, we select T0 8-bit mode and PSA bit. PSA bit bypasses the prescaler. Then next instruction is move LW0xA6. We have calculate this A6 value. This A6 value is loaded into working register. We can see here WREG is equal to 0xA6. Then next instruction is move WFTMR0L. Here the value of TMR0L is equal to 0A6. Actually timer 0 is a 16-bit register, but in this program we select 8-bit mode. Because of 8-bit mode, here select TMR0L register, then BSFT0con, TMR0 on. The TMR0 on bit of T0 con register means this bit is set using BSF instruction and start the timer 0. The next instruction is BTF int con TMR0IF. This instruction monitor the flag TMR0IF and then jump it. It is jump continuously. Now the count of TMR0L is 0xFE. Then after next instruction it goes to 0xFF. After FF, the value of TMR0L is equal to 0x01. And next instruction is BCF T0 con TMR0 on. Using BCF bit clear file instruction, stop the timer. Next instruction is BCF int con TMR0IF. Using this instruction, clear the flag. Then next instruction is BTG port B, 1 means toggle RB1 pin. Initially the RB1 is equal to 1. Now it goes to 0. Using BRA instruction, we have jump to back location. For output, click on channel, select our pin RB1, click on add and then click on OK. Here this is our output. Now we are going to our result. Our first result is percent duty cycle is equal to dash dash. We have calculated the duty cycle. Here it is 50%, right here 50%. Machine cycle time is, it is also calculated here, 1 microsecond. We can see here TMR0L is equal to A6, right here A6 H. The toggle pin of port B is RB1. Right here the square wave is observed at RB1 pin, which has duty cycle here on period and off period of observed wave is equal, means duty cycle is 50%. Here we have assumed 5 kilohertz frequency, right here 5 kilohertz. We can see here this point value is 303 and this point value is 103, means single cycle time is 200 cycle. Observed frequency, right, 1 upon 200 cycles into 1 microsecond. Because our single cycle time is 1 microsecond, right here 5 kilohertz, 1 upon 200 into 1 microsecond is equal to 5 kilohertz. We can see the result of our program in another software. This is the PIC18 simulation software. Then click on file and load program. Our program is timer 0 8-bit mode. Then click on open. The hex file is automatically generated when we built our program. Then click on tool, take 8 LED board, then click on tool and take the oscilloscope. Here select the port B1, then click on simulation and start the simulation. We can see here RB1 pin output, now it is high, then low. Here this is the duty cycle of square wave. On period and off period of this square wave is equal, means duty cycle is 50%. The time from this point to this point is 1000 microsecond. Conclusion is the assembly language program of timer 0 8-bit mode is written in MPLAB software for peak 18F458, the calculated frequency and observed frequency of square wave is equal, which is displayed on oscilloscope in simulation software. The practical sheet and the calculation of timer is provided you in a description box. Thank you for watching this video.